Hello friends, it's Reza. Welcome to Beautometry's company page. I am here to do my daily countdown to Halloween advent opening. There were 20 gifts in the boxes that went out. Some of the boxes you could actually sign up for the 13 gift one, and every day you open a new gift as the rundown to Halloween goes forward. So I've been doing these videos at noon every day, and I have this planned through Halloween. And speaking of Halloween, don't forget to join the Facebook group International Nail Society with Beautometry, because we're giving away this plate. It's the dragon plate from the brand new Shrek collection, and I'm going to start a message today, a post today, where you comment if you want to join, and I will give you a number. And then on Halloween, while I'm doing my last video, I will pick a winner live. So, that being said, let's continue to what I am doing, which is opening and unboxing. So here is the box everything came in. It's a big FedEx box, and 20 packages in. My past videos are on my YouTube channel. It's Reza not underscore, I'm lying here. R-E-Z-A space B-L-A-D-E. And you can see all the unboxings and demos that I've done so far. Today, let's see what the lowest number is here. All right, today is day 18. So let me open that and see what we're going to be using today. I really do, I know I say this every time, I really do enjoy the packaging on these and how you can reuse these little baggies. It's so much fun. Sorry about the gloves, everybody. My burn is still acting up. Okay, so this actually looks like a strawberry huller. A very useful tool. And I don't know if I have any cotton balls here, but I do have these cotton rounds that I use. And the key to using this correctly is, to using this is that you don't have to get your nails involved with your acetone. Just put it in here. Let me see how I would show off this little thing. I actually thought we were going to be doing something a little bit different today, but I clearly had my days mixed up. Let's see. Brand new plate from Hit the Bottle. This is Dreadful Delights, and I'm going to show you how we would use the strawberry huller, cotton grabber, whatever you want to call it. Let me grab I keep my acetone in a bottle like this. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, you'll notice that my plate is a bit streaky. That's because I use it a lot. I've been using it all night. All right, I've got my pumps in. Ooh, these are brand new in stock actually on the website. And I have a video about this coming out today or tomorrow on my YouTube channel. I'm doing a stamping showdown video between this plate and literally like a week later after this plate was shipped out, Maniology released this plate, which is also Scary Treats. So they're going head to head today or tomorrow, depending on how busy I am. And you should check out that on my channel. Make sure you're subscribed so you get that notification. So what I'm going to do here is, when I'm trying stuff out, I tend to not use stamping polish all the time because, you know, I like to use nice stamping polish on my nails. So let's go ahead with these strange dripping lips. And I'm going to grab this here. And I don't have a stamper ready, but here I go. We will stamp them. These are awesome stamping plates. I did take a little longer than I normally take to put that down, and it still looks great. So, what do we do now? I don't want to get my fingers all screwed up. but I really have to get this plate clean. I think you know where I'm going with this. Strawberry Hauler, Cotton Grabber. Boom, baby. Isn't that awesome? So I don't actually have a lot extra to talk to you about today. I guess I should go over this plate just a little bit in case you're just joining us. I got a dragon here and I'm not afraid to use it. Ready for adventure can be used on any manicure, and so can I refuse to be ordinary. Love the knight in shining armor in it image. So I was going to talk to you about gradients today. We were going to do a gradient mani, but I don't think that's today's unboxing, clearly. So I do want to talk to you, though, because these are the gradient sponges that I use. And I was introduced to these by Beautometry's My Mani box almost 4 years ago. These are more kind of open cell sponges than the commonly used sponges, like a makeup wedge. This one is a pretty good one too, but they're really just not as common online. A lot of people use the makeup wedge, but that absorbs a lot of extra polish. This one, you can really minimize the amount of polish you have to use and maximize the color put down. And the way that I was introduced to these were through My Mani box, which is Beautometry's monthly subscription. You get 2 Moyu London plates and some other surprises. And you get to choose whether you get the short nail box or the long nail box, which is flipping amazing. And the reason I'm talking to you about this today, let me go ahead and just keep on trucking while I talk to you to show you some of the other images on this plate. This coming month, if you sign up by the 30th of October, you get the fall foliage box, and that just happens to be the 4th anniversary box with a special anniversary gift for anybody who signs up. And again, you have to do that by 10:30, the 30th of October. And you can do that on Cratejoy or Google My Mani box subscription. There is a way to do it on the Beautometry website. It's just, this one is going to be so exciting, everybody. So don't forget to do that. And it is $30 a month. And I love it because I do love Moyu London plates. All right, one more stamp. I really, actually, so this is funny. This is the first time I've used a strawberry hauler as a cotton grabber. And I really prefer it to, there's like a long, thin cotton grabber kind of hand thing that you can get online some places. I really like this better. There's more heft to it. It's more comfortable, like ergonomic, more comfortable to handle with your hand. It's just a really great item. And I had heard people use that for their cotton balls, but wow, I didn't know it was so much better than the other options. So don't forget to catch my video on Sweet and Scary Stamping Showdown. These two plates are fighting, and I will see you at noon tomorrow for another unboxing, and we'll see what I do then. Thanks. Bye-bye.